This single PPC strategy transformed our clients' Amazon sales overnight. And you can see right now they're spending $200, making $2,000 in return with 11% ACoS. Nothing crazy, but it is very good from what it was before. Now you can see right here, our new trick for this client is low cost per click. They were overspending. We got their cost per click down to 7 cents, and that should be your goal too. If you can get your cost per click down low enough, it is very difficult to lose money. If you're spending $1 per click, it's pretty easy. But if you're spending 7 cents or 6 cents, it's going to be a lot better. Now we're trying to get this down to 2 cents per click, but this is just a little bit of a hint on what we're going to be showing you and what you're first going to do to create this strategy and get your cost per click down is you're going to find your items. Let's say you're selling a wood carving kit. Now you already have some sales, but you want more sales. You want to be seen by more people because you know your product is pretty darn good. So what we're going to do is we are going to see that the product is a wood carving kit. We're going to go to Helium 10, log into Helium 10. There's a 7-day free trial and a link in the description. But you're going to go to products, and then you're going to go to Magnet. And Magnet is where you find high volume search terms that are relevant to your entered keyword. You're just going to try to find the biggest search terms that are relevant to your product. And when I looked at the product, right, I thought DIY kit for men, because it's mostly going to be men that are trying to make these birds and actually using their tools. In my opinion, right, the actual seller is going to know better, but I just put that in. And then what we do is we scroll down and we do search volume. We want to really focus on the highest search volume keywords, because if we put in 7 cents a click and it doesn't have a high search volume, you'll never get clicks. So this one has 182,000, 175,000. Pocket knife. Do you think people that like pocket knives are going to like this kit? Probably. So that could be a good market. Christmas gifts. Knife set. If you're buying somebody a knife set, what's unique? This item with the wooden bird. So what you want to do is try hot sauce, probably not. Puzzles, I don't know. Hot dogs, definitely not, right? Clock. So you want to go through these and try to find the highest search volume keywords. Then you can also do another search, right? So we can look at my history. Maybe do wood carving kit as well. Maybe do DIY kits for adults, whatever is related to your item that you're selling. So once you do that, you download and you get all of the top keywords that you think are relevant and you put them all on a spreadsheet, right? So I already did that. Who's going to buy my wooden bird DIY kit? People who likes knife sets, people who like tools, tool bag, tool kit, gifts, wood burning kit. And again, these have super high search volume. So we're going to be spending 2 cents a click, 5 cents cost per click, and we're going to do broad match. So what you're going to do is you're going to put these into Amazon and you're going to create a campaign. This is campaign number 1, just targeting knife set, 5 cents cost per click. This is going to be a manual campaign broad match, right? That's campaign number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. So you're going to be making 45 potentially. Well, actually, this is close to 37 campaigns, right? We want to have at more than that, potentially 100 at one point, but where you can retarget and go for a low cost per click. You'll find that maybe like something called hobby starts getting clicks and you're only spending 5 cents a click or 2 cents a click. And after 50 clicks, you generate a sale. Now that might sound like a lot. 50 clicks at 2 cents per click is $1 for a sale, right? So if you can get this right and you get the cost per click low enough, it is extremely difficult to lose money, right? Extremely difficult, right? Just target very, very broad keywords of people that are going to probably purchase your item. Men's gifts, craft set, hobby kits for adult, hobbies for men. You can also do this as well for retargeting competitors. So if you go into Cerebro on Helium 10, type in your ASIN, you can click get competitors and do the same exact thing that I just showed you, put them all in a spreadsheet and then do, this was going to be broad match targeting for your competitor ASIN. That's a reverse ASIN campaign. So that's what we did, and we kind of did a very big broad match. You want to keep that cost per click as low as humanly possible, which is the lowest you can get is 2 cents per click. So you can start at 2 cents per click, see if any of the campaigns run, see if any of them get clicks. If they do, they'll most likely generate sales. Because if you're getting, again, 50 clicks on one item and you're only spending $1 for a sale, that's pretty darn good. But that's just a sneak peek on how we did it. And of course, it all comes down to your listing too. So you can get a free listing audit from us right in the description, or go to our website, fill in this information, and we'll do a free listing audit. So that way, when the people click and you're only spending 2 cents per click, they're actually going to buy. And that's exactly what you want. But that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, your Amazon ads, or anything regarding Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our Amazon Advertising Management. We're going to be looking at your campaigns, doing the best strategies to get your ACoS low and your sales high, and making sure your sales are growing each month. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.
승인이